How to copy parameter in Obara controller. First of all, you should have to do set teach pendant in set mode. 2 times F4. Now the set LED will be blink. After that, you should have to come in home TPD mode. You will see here UCP, PED, PCP. So parameter copy, this one you should have to F4 click. You should have to select the range. We will select one. That one is the parameter number or schedule number. Then enter. Here it will ask that teach pendant, timer to pendant, pendant to timer, pendant to pendant, timer to pendant. Okay, here we will select timer to pendant. Then we will start F1. It will ask, are you want to copy? Then yes, we will select enter. It will take little bit time and my parameter is complete copy in teach pendant from timer.